Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I sincerely hope and pray that you and your families are doing absolutely fine and everything is all okay at your end. So I am at my mom's place. It's been almost 1 week. मैं एक हफ्ते से अपनी मम्मी के घर पे हूँ और मुझे यहाँ पे बहुत ही जल्दबाजी में एकदम अर्जेंट बेसिस पे आना पड़ा. I had to really rush because of something that happened here, which I will share with you guys later. But मैं इतनी जल्दबाजी में निकली that I just picked up my car keys and my house keys. My brains were not working. There was no time to think. There was no time to pack. I just had to really rush and come here. पिछले कई हफ्तों से I'm just feeling a little low, and specifically this week has really been really low and pretty sad for me. So today in the middle of the day, अचानक से ज्योति का फ़ोन आया and she very kindly invited me for a movie at the Geo Drive-In Theatre, and I was really so excited because I really needed that change in atmosphere. I needed that change in my headspace, and I know that definitely meeting Jyoti and Kamal and just going out is really going to give me that change in headspace, and I'm going to feel better instantly. So I just agreed. Really excited to go visit this Geo Drive-In Theatre because it is so hyped, it is so talked about, and I personally have a lot of childhood memories attached to this place because I used to go to this place जब मैं बहुत छोटी थी with my parents, and उस टाइम पे तो ये इतना डेवलप्ड नहीं था. ये ड्राइव इन थिएटर एकदम ही ग्राउंड लेवल पे था. सो आई रियली वांट टू सी कैसे चीज़ें चेंज हो गई है, एंड आई एम जस्ट श्योर दैट गोइंग आउट एंड मीटिंग माई फ्रेंड्स इज़ रियली गोइंग टू रियली lift up my mood, and I'm going to feel happy and cheerful. But first things first, I have to ransack my cupboard because मैं यहाँ से अपने almost सारे कपड़े ले गई, and the clothes which are here are not a complete set. So जो भी कपड़े हैं मैं outgrow हो चुकी हूँ उनमें से because I've put on a little weight. So I want to quickly just hop in and see what fits me and what I can put together. Although Jyoti very kindly offered if she could get something for me to wear, so sweet of her, but I still want to just hop into my cupboard, see what fits me, see what I can put in together. So अभी मुझे बहुत सारे काम करने हैं. मुझे अपना लंच भी बनाना है, लंच भी करना है. I have to see something that fits me really well. I have to get ready. So as the evening progresses, I'm going to take you guys along with me, and let's see where this vlog goes. So now let's get this day started. So finally मैंने शार ले लिया है. I'm feeling so much better and so much calm down. I'm feeling a little bit relaxed. और अब सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ है कि मुझे अपना लुक ऑर्गेनाइज करना है. आई हैव टू पुट अ लुक टुगेदर. दिस इज़ समथिंग दैट आई एम गोइंग टू बी वेयरिंग, और मैं बस यही होप कर रही हूँ कि ये मुझे फिट हो जाए, क्योंकि मैंने इसे लास्ट ईयर ऑर्डर किया था एंड आई नेवर एंडेड अप वेयरिंग इट, एंड आई हैव पुट ऑन सम वेट. सो आई एम जस्ट होपिंग कि इट फिट्स मी. और रही मेकअप की बात, सो मैं तो इतनी जल्दबाजी में निकली दैट आई जस्ट डिड नॉट कैरी एनीथिंग. In fact, I don't even have a single kajal pencil with me right here. If I had a kajal pencil, then maybe I could have just used it as a kajal, used it as a eyeliner, maybe even done up my brows with it, but I have got absolutely nothing with me. But I have found something, and I think I can just do a little something. I'm going to show you what it is. So ये तो मेरा outfit है, but I found this cute box from Nudestick, and I remember just before the stupid pandemic hit, my best friend visited me and she gifted me this little kit. So इसमें मुझे एक NYX की liquid lipstick मिल गई. I think I can use it. I think no, I must use it. I must do some जुगाड़. Then I found 3 of these lipsticks. ये तो sharpener है. And maybe I can just open this one and just use it as a blush or a lipstick. So let's see how it works out. Keeping my fingers crossed, and let's get started. I have tried on the outfit. I'm wearing the top right now. I'm wearing the pants, and it fits me really comfortably. और मुझे अपना एक shrug भी इधर मिल गया. Thank God I didn't take it with me. So it kind of just came together. And the best part is that my mom so sweetly gave me a kajal pencil, which in fact is my personal favorite. I'm going to show you. She's given me this kajal pencil. It is from K Beauty in the shade Spade, and she said go ahead and use it. मैंने इसे use भी नहीं किया. It is pack sealed, so I'm so happy. So now I can definitely use it as a kajal, use it as an eyeliner. I'm good to go. The most important thing is that I'm getting out of the house. I'm just getting a change of headspace and meeting two of my really very special friends, so really looking forward to it. और अब मैं जल्दी से अपना lunch कर लेती हूँ because already 4 बज चुके हैं and Kamal has already coordinated with me, so I should quickly get ready because they are going to start in a few minutes. I'll iron this outfit and just put myself together, and then I'll see you. So finally, after a 1 hour of rush, I have finally gotten ready because Jyoti ka phone mujhe aaya tha and she said instead of reaching directly, I'm coming to pick you up because they started off a little early, so which works out super great for me. I was so excited. मैंने जल्दी से अपना outfit iron किया and I just put together this outfit. I have worn my favorite pair of shoes from Ajio. So these are my pair of shoes. They are from Ajio. I think almost 3 साल पहले I picked up 2 colors in the same pattern. So guys, this is my outfit situation. अब मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि मुझे आप लोगों को अपना पूरा outfit कैसे दिखाना चाहिए, but I'm just going to explain it to you all really quick. So ये एक spaghetti top है and इस पे थोड़ा सा lace detailing हुआ हुआ है at the neck. It's got straps. You can adjust it. A really simple strap going on even behind, and it's got like a formal pant situation. I can't believe I did that, but I did it. और ये एक cotton shrug है. Thank God इसे मैं अपने घर नहीं ले गई and I left it back at my mom's place. तो इस पे ये purple color की tassel detailing है which matches my shoes totally. तो मैंने सोचा let me just throw it on this, and ये एक पूरा outfit from the scratch बन चुका है literally. And if I'm going to tell you what this outfit really is, I don't know how many of you are going to believe it. So believe it or not guys, ये एक night suit है जो मैंने last year order किया था, and you know तभी मुझे थोड़ा सा loose था but मैंने कभी पहना ही नहीं, and today I'm actually wearing it as an outfit to go out, and I hope that people don't make out. Even if they do, I have reached such a point, I don't care. I just want to have a good time, be with my friends, that's it. So accessories के नाम पे मेरे पास सिर्फ मेरी ये watch है. This is from French Connection. Very special watch for me. I remember ये watch मैंने तब खरीदी थी many years ago जब कुणाल और मैं एक मूवी देखने गए थे, and उस टाइम हमारे पास बहुत सारा टाइम था. So नीचे there was a shopping center at a mall, and I picked this up from Shoppers Stop back then. So really I have a lot of special memories attached to this watch, and that's it. I haven't carried any of my finger rings, no earrings, but I'm good to go. So guys, finally I'm in the car. I'm with Kamal, Jyoti and Masi ji. But मैं इतनी excited और hyper हो गई थी as usual that I completely forgot to give you guys an intro. So यहाँ पे है आंटी जी. Say hi.
Hi.
Jyoti, say hi.
Hello.
Hi.
And Kamal.
Hi.
Hi.
So right now we are searching for a good cup of tea because we are super early, and then heading towards Geo Garden. Super excited. See you there. already tell with the pink backdrop happening behind. So मैं घर आ चुकी हूँ and Jyoti and Kamal very kindly dropped me home, and it was a very good experience. I'm going to share my experience with you all, but उससे पहले I want to station my phone somewhere because मेरा arm literally shiver कर रहा है and I'm just feeling so uncomfortable to just keep talking holding the phone in my hand. Yeah. Okay, so I want to share my experience about this drive-in theater where we went for the movie. So as we went there, I think it was a 7 o'clock show, and जैसे आप enter करो, there are so many lights and the installations are really beautiful, larger than life, and literally it gives you an international feel. You literally feel that you are somewhere overseas and you've gone to watch a movie there. The decor and everything is really larger than life, very fancy, and really it caught my attention, and really very happy vibe. And the theater, I believe, is on the 5th floor, so they have a nice drive through and you just go on top. It's on the rooftop. तो ऊपर जाने के बाद भी there is a huge expanse. Hold on, let me just switch on the AC because it's really hot. And I think हमारे पड़ोस में भी शादी हो रही है, so there's a lot of music blaring. So anyways, जब आप ऊपर जाओ अपनी व्हीकल में, there are lot of attendants and staff जो आपको गाइड करते रहते हैं at every step, and it is pretty self-explanatory. तो ऊपर जाते ही you see the places where the cars can be parked, and of course on the ticket you do have your car allotment number जहाँ पे आपको अपनी कार पार्क करनी है. Then there is a place where you have all your snacks, basically a snack station. तो आप वहाँ से अपने hot and cold beverages ले सकते हो. You can have your snacks, you can have your samosas, your pizzas, pastas, a lot of variety. But I personally feel कि वो जो snacks थे वहाँ पे they were a little bit overpriced. But anyway, snacks counter के बिल्कुल left और right पे there were these decent size lounges made, again open air, और वहाँ पे बहुत ही comfortable lounge chairs थी, like a sofa chair which were cushioned with nice armrest. So if you have some senior citizens with you who have come to watch the movie और उनको कार में बैठने में uncomfortable हो रहा है, that would be a really comfortable spot. और वहाँ से भी the screen is visible very clearly. Audio भी बहुत clear और बहुत ही loud है. So once you have parked your car at the allotted number, आप अपनी गाड़ी के ऊपर बैठ सकते हो. You can sit at the rooftop, you can sit on the bonnet, you can sit inside your car, outside your car. एक छोटा सा ledge बना है and एक छोटी सी पतली सी narrow mattress भी दी जाती है हर vehicle को to put it on the ledge. तो आप ledge पे बैठ के you can put your mattress, you can sit on the mattress and watch the movie. बाजू में बिल्कुल एक छोटा सा stairway है where there are about 2 stairs. आप वहाँ पे भी बैठ के मूवी देख सकते हो. there's a little bit of a false grass arrangement. आप वहाँ पे भी बैठ के अपना मूवी देख सकते हो. Jyoti had already picked up the ticket and it was valid for 5 passengers, which means that the vehicle could carry 5 passengers. बट पर्सनली मुझे लगता है कि जो ड्राइवर सीट पे बैठता है एंड ड्राइवर सीट के बाजू में ऑन द पैसेंजर सीट बैठता है, बस वो 2 लोग बहुत ही कंफर्टेबली मूवी देख सकते हैं ऑन द बिग स्क्रीन. बट जो पीछे बैठते हैं दैट वुड बी अ लिटिल बिट अनकम्फर्टेबल. और अगर आप टॉल हो तो आपको थोड़ा ऐसे डक इन करना पड़ेगा या आपको थोड़ा सा ऐसे लेट के देखना होगा. बस आई जस्ट फील दैट probably they could have provided with 2 extra chairs, so that if there are more passengers in the car, that is more than 2, जो पीछे बैठते हैं they could sit on the chair or a stool which had a backrest. However, I got to know later on, Kamal did tell me that कि tickets पे लिखा हुआ है कि आप अपनी sitting खुद ला भी सकते हो, which I did see. हमारे आगे जो गाड़ी पार्क थी उसमें काफ़ी सारे बच्चे थे, so उन्होंने अपनी chair खुद लाई थी and they were very cutely sitting on their chair with a nice backrest. However, हमें तो सब कुछ एक्सपीरियंस करना था, सो हम थोड़ी देर कार के अंदर बैठे, फिर हम उस लेज पे बैठे ऑन द मैट्रेस. देन वी सैट ऑन द stairway for some time. So it was comfortable, but sitting outside without a backrest for a long time, I personally feel it gets a little bit uncomfortable. Otherwise, no complaints, everything was really good. I just feel कि उनको अपना sitting arrangement थोड़ा rework करना चाहिए, और in this case carry your own chair with a backrest. That is what I would recommend. However, अगर आप बाहर बैठे हो गाड़ी के बाहर तो भी आपको ऑडियो बहुत ही क्लियरली सुनाई देगा, और अगर आप गाड़ी के अंदर बैठ के अपना मूवी देख रहे हो तो दे गिव यू एन FM रेडियो सेटिंग नंबर. आप एक बार वो नंबर पंच इन कर दो, सो आप अपना मूवी बहुत ही क्लियरली सुन सकते हो. द ऑडियो इज़ रियली क्लियर. एंड आई रिमेंबर दैट बैक इन द डे जब मैं बहुत छोटी थी, बिल्कुल इसी जगह पे ड्राइव इन थिएटर हुआ करता था. आई यूज्ड टू गो विथ माई पेरेंट्स, एंड उस टाइम तो इट वॉज नॉट ऑन द टेरेस, इट वॉज एट द एक्सट्रीम ग्राउंड लेवल. एंड इतने सारे खाने पीने के स्टॉल्स भी नहीं होते थे. मुझे तो सिर्फ एक पॉपकॉर्न और कैंडी फ्लॉस का स्टॉल याद है. बट उस टाइम मुझे याद है कि बहुत सारी फैमिलीज आती थी एंड दे यूज्ड टू पुट अ चटाई. वो अपना डिनर लेके आते थे साथ में. बहुत से लोग तो तकिए भी लेके आते थे एंड दे यूज्ड टू लाई डाउन एंड वॉच द मूवी. एंड उस टाइम हर गाड़ी के पास, मतलब दो गाड़ियों के बीच में एक वेस्ट साइज तक एक पोल जैसा होता था जिसमें स्पीकर होता था, एंड उस स्पीकर के थ्रू आप मूवी का ऑडियो सुन सकते थे. देयर वाज नो सच सिस्टम कि आप FM में या अपने रेडियो पे वो नंबर पंच इन करो एंड देन यू कैन हियर द ऑडियो ऑफ द मूवी. तब ये सिस्टम नहीं था. ऑब्वियसली इतनी टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं थी, इतना सब प्रोग्रेस नहीं था. बट रियली दिस प्लेस हैज़ रियली चेंज्ड, एंड फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम आई हैड अ रियली great experience. I felt good. It brought me back a lot of childhood memories. So thank you so much, Jyoti and Kamal. I really had a great time. Thank you so much for inviting me over and taking me for the movie. Really had a great time. Now talking a little bit about the movie, it was a great movie. One time watch, nothing super great, nothing below average. Good movie. Ayushmann has done a fantastic job. He's picking up some really interesting subjects, really out of the box, and this movie does have a very different message, and hope people take it positively. So having said that, will I want to go to the drive-in theater again? My answer would be yes. I definitely want to experience this whole thing once again with my mom and Kunal. With Kunal because of course he has never been to this drive-in theater as yet, and with mom because मेरे साथ बहुत सारी childhood memories attached है, and just to relive those childhood memories I want to take her once with me. But let's see if there is some good movie, and I just hope कि कोई horror movie play हो तो मज़ा भी आएगा to go and see the last show. But yeah, that is that. And अभी के लिए तो I think I'm just going to unwind. I just want to change out of these clothes, just freshen up a little bit. थोड़ा सा dinner करती हूँ और फिर करती हूँ अपना बैग पैक. No, I'm not traveling anywhere. I have to go back to my house because Kunal is finally coming back home. ये पूरा हफ्ता काफ़ी topsy turvy रहा. I had to come to my mom's place because there was a mishap. There was a demise in the building where my mom lives. My neighbor and my very close childhood friend lost his father, so I had to really rush from my house और मैं बहुत ही जल्दबाजी में निकली थी. So I just came here और मुझे almost एक week हो गया है इधर. Kunal also has been shooting in Umargaon. He's been shooting in Bombay, in Umargaon, so he's been traveling to and fro. I plan to wake up early in the morning and go home, set the house, bring the house in shape. अगर आप लोग ये vlog देख रहे हो तो शायद यहाँ तक आपको इस व्लॉग की क्वालिटी इतनी अच्छी ना दिखे बिकॉज आई एम शूटिंग फ्रॉम माई फ़ोन एंड दैट टू फ्रॉम माई फ्रंट कैमरा, एंड ऑल्सो मेरा जो हाथ है वो बहुत ज़्यादा शेकी है. मुझे भी लग रहा है कि मेरे जो वीडियोज़ है वो काफ़ी शेकी और हेजी है एंड द क्वालिटी इज़ नॉट ऑन पॉइंट, और मुझे भी मज़ा नहीं आ रहा है. मम्मी ने भी मिक्सी ऑन कर दी है. दिस डिस्टर्बेंस फ्रॉम ऑल साइड. बाजू में एक शादी हो रही है, सो दे हैव ब्लेयरिंग म्यूज़िक. किचन में मिक्सी चल रही है. Any which ways, I think I'm just going to say good night to you on this video right here. यहीं पे vlog end करते हैं. Bye.